What's up YouTube? Anthony coming in with another video. If you guys are new to the channel, hit subscribe and stay up to date with all my videos. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys a strategy that I use to make free money on PayPal. How I get $25 sent to my PayPal account, and this is a very beginner-friendly strategy. You can implement this strategy starting today. And I'm gonna actually jump into my computer and I'm gonna show you exactly how you can do this. So step number one, we need to download an app. Now, if you've never heard of this app, the app is actually called Shopkicks. Now, what you can do now is that you can go over to Shopkicks on your cell phone or you can go to the computer. So I'll actually just show you on the computer. I actually prefer using Shopkicks on my cell phone. It's so much easier to use, but I'm gonna show you the website version of the actual company. So what you can do, if you've never heard of it, by the way, I do recommend coming to Shopkick's website to actually look around for yourself. Now, if you want to watch a video and see how it works, I'm going to show you, but just come here and click see how it works. And essentially what Shopkicks does is that you can go into stores and you can scan items or you can get points for going to stores. And what happens is that with all these points that you get, you can collect in on that. So let me show you how it works. There is a requirement now. You need to have your Bluetooth on and your location settings on. The reason being is that if you walk into Walmart, for example, the app is not going to know, it's not going to register a Shopkick point if you walk into the store and your Bluetooth and your locations are turned off. So make sure that when you do download this app, make sure you have those settings turned on your phone or else you'll run into issues. So now next, we need to actually collect in on our kicks. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open up my phone and show you exactly how to do this. So let's open it up. This is the main menu when you log into the app. As you can see, I'm gonna give you guys a quick tour of the app so you can see how the app actually works. So we have Target, we have Ulta, we have Office Max, Petco. These are different places that we can earn our kicks at. Now, right now, let's just look at Target so we can use that as an example. So on Target, it has a 10. And when you see that person walking, that means when you walk in, you'll earn 10 kicks. Now, let's actually click on Target so you can see. Now, for scans. Now, when I said earlier you can scan items, what you can do is you can walk into, let's just use Target for example, and you can also scan items. Now, let's just say, for example, you scan the item. Every item that you scan is going to be worth different points. When you go to different stores, it's going to be worth different points. So keep that in mind. Now, lastly, receipts. With receipts, you can use receipts to earn kicks. Now, what I do most often is I use the walk-in scans and I also use the scans. Now, let me actually show you a couple other ones, what they have here. They have Schnucks, Walgreens, Aldi, Best Buy, PetSmart. My wife and I, we've actually used this app since 2015, so I can tell you some of the rewards I've collected on. If you're not familiar with Sports Authorities used to be pretty huge in my city. It's basically a place where you can go buy sports gear, boxing gear, jackets, hoodies, hats, and sports apparel. That's what Sports Authority is. And that's where I essentially got started on using Shopkicks. When I was in there, an employee there was like, hey, have you started using Shopkicks? And I said, Shopkicks? What's Shopkicks? He explained that when you use Shopkicks, you can actually earn reward points and use these reward points to get free vouchers, so a free $25 gift card. And that's exactly how we get free PayPal money. We can actually cash in on our points and collect that. And there's a lot of money-making apps out there, but I'm telling you now, I've tried a lot of them, and a lot of them are a waste of time, and they may take, it could take you months to scan enough points to actually collect in on the rewards. And that's something that you don't want to do. So now next we're going to click over to the Kicks Online. So what this says, let's look at Sam's Club because that is the first one. When it has a 2 right there, that means you'll earn 2 kicks for every $1 you spend. Now Shopkicks, they do have an option to where you can put your debit card on, and whenever you make purchases with that debit card at that store using the app, you get points. Now let's come back over to the main menu. So what we can do now is we can click on Discover. Now when you get here to Discover, what we can do now is we can earn kicks by watching ads. So I'll show you an example so you can see how it is. We would do is just click play. Now they give you 3 different ads that you can watch. All right, ads playing, everybody, ads playing. Let's see, whether you go all the time or just sometimes. Starbucks. So we got a Starbucks ad playing for us. So they're trying to get me to download that. Okay, cool. So we just earned 1 kick live. And I'm going to actually show you guys the reward options back here because I have a free $25 already earned. So I'm going to show you that. So we just got my 1 kick. We see that that just happened. Now all you do is you click right here on the 6,000 and that'll bring you right into your rewards. So as you can see, for me to get my $25 PayPal, all I needed was 6,300 kicks. Now that didn't take long at all to earn. So now if you don't want a free $25 PayPal card, you can actually get other items. So what you would need to do is you just need to click on reward options. Now what we can do, we can see at the top right how many kicks we have earned, but then we can just scroll down. See, they have Walmart, we have Best Buy, we have Amazon gift cards, GameStop for my gamers out there, what's up? Apple, any Apple users. But more importantly, I chose the option for PayPal, so I'm just gonna click on PayPal. And then what I can do is I can say, okay, I want a $25 PayPal or do I want $10? I can choose what I want. So let's just say if I wanted a $10 Walmart card and a $10 PayPal, then that's exactly what I could do. I could cash in my kicks and earn that. But I actually want the $25 free PayPal money from using this app. So let me actually do that. I'm just gonna click on redeem kicks. And then it says, good to go. We think you'll love it, but we can't refund any kicks. Once kicks are redeemed, it's final. So once I click redeem, all of my kicks, 6,300 kicks will be gone. And I'm actually gonna just click yes. And then all I have to do is put in my PayPal email address. So let's actually type. All right, now let's actually type it in one more time. They want me to confirm it. Let's put it in. Yahoo. All right, so now all I have to do is wait. PayPal, send $25 to this email address. Let's click send. All right, so now we got a confirmation. $25 has been sent to my PayPal. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually show you guys the proof. I see there's so many videos like this on the internet that sometimes you don't know what's real and what's fake. So I'm gonna actually show you that I'm gonna collect in on this $25. Let's actually just click done now. All right, now we can see that I only have 257 kicks now. So whenever I go to Walmart and Target and I do the typical things that I do weekly, you know, you go grocery shopping weekly, you do these things weekly, so why not earn a little extra points and kicks when you're doing the things you already do? So now that I collected on my reward, all I have to do is just go back to the main menu and we're right here. Let's click earn and let's just go back. So that is exactly how Shopkicks works. Now let me close out on this app. So now all we have to do is collect in on our kicks and choose our reward. Now before I get to the bonus, I just want to say, you're probably wondering now, Anthony, how is Shopkicks making money off of this? How do they make money? So the truth is behind how this company is making money, well, one of the ways they are making money is that they're doing affiliate marketing. Now, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, that's essentially where you refer people products, and when they buy, you get a commission. So for example, Shopkicks, they recommend you to use Amazon. They recommend you to use Target. So for example, when you go to these stores and you use their partners, they get an affiliate commission from you using the app there. So that's exactly how these places are making money. Now, I'll give you an example. So they also have Hulu. If you guys don't know what Hulu is a streaming service. It's just like Netflix, but Hulu, they have that on Shopkicks. And now what happens is that when you sign up with Hulu, they have an affiliate link on there on Shopkicks that will register to them, and that's how they're tracking the points to you. So they do make money on the back end by referring you this, but you might as well collect in on the free kicks that you get when you're using it. So that's how this app is making money for themselves, and that's why, you know, for us, we're signing up for free and taking advantage of this. but that's how it works. Shopkicks, they have affiliate programs set up within the app. So if you use certain things within the app, they get that affiliate commission. And this is why they have that structure where you can earn a free $25 PayPal gift card or money in general. So anyways, we finished up here, and I'm going to show you guys one more thing. I have a bonus for you. Now, with Shopkicks, if you do sign up, Shopkicks actually has a free 250 points when you sign up. Now, what Shopkick does is that they give you bonuses. Now, this is the bonus at the end of the video. I'm going to share this with you guys. So what happens is that if you refer Shopkicks to a friend, they give you free Shopkick points. Now, I'm going to actually show you how it's done. They just gave me a little pop-up on the screen to refer people, but let me click exit on that. And all you have to do is click invite. So when I originally signed up, this was back in 2015, by the way. 2015, we're in 2020 now. That was 2015. Now, when you do sign up, if you refer someone to sign up with the app, they give you 250 kicks. Now, as you can see, I'm going to scroll down a little bit. I'm going to keep some of this information blurred out, but we can see here that I've earned 250 kicks from other people signing up. Now, what I did is we just dropped it in a group chat. And everybody, if you have a family group chat, that's what I did. I just dropped it in my family group chat. And I had some family members sign up with the actual app, and I earned 250 points. Now, you don't have to do that. You can very well scan or just walk into stores and collect. But I'm going to put a code below this video that if you use this, hey, if you use the code, I just want to say thank you for supporting this video and also collect in on that 250 points so you can earn. So as you can see, I've earned 1,000 kicks just from inviting a few people to sign up to use the app. But this is where I'm going to leave this video off. So lastly, when you come back here and you log into your own Shopkick account, make sure to, send it to some family and friends and let them know about the app so then you can collect on 250 points. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link below this video. It's going to be the first link in the description that if you use it, you'll earn 250 points if you scan within 7 days of signing up. My link will be below this video. But everybody, I just want to say thank you for making it to the end of this video. Make sure to come show some love on my YouTube channel, like this video, share this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.